How are you feeling?
I hate this.
I know.
I can't take it out though.
We're gonna have to, when we get home, we're gonna have to change it. Give you some clean gauze.
Ew.
Yeah. You
My
okay?
legs still feel kind of wobbly.
Huh?
Legs wobbly.
You're wobbly. Well, Daddy will help you get in the house when we get home.
Can you carry me?
No, he's not gonna carry you.
Aww.
You'll be okay.
I know.
He'll help to make sure you get in the house okay. Yeah, but he's not gonna, Daddy'll make sure you get in the house because we know you're a little wobbly. You okay? Alright.
This is half done.
To what?
It's not done.
Okay.
I thought it was done.
Okay. You can stop talking because you don't want the gauze to come out. You want to stop the bleeding. Okay? So you just sit there and go to sleep. If you want to go to sleep. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
You broke my heart a million times. Can't count the times I made you cry. Oh, we're such a mess now, and we're burning out. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, to work things out, to work things out.
Hey besties! So this is haul number 1. I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Schweibel's Bakery, which is what we call the bread store. It's where you can get cheap bread and all that good stuff for really, really cheap. So I'm gonna turn y'all around, show you the part 1. Alright, I picked up 2 of these. There's containers with lids, but they'll fit in my pantry better. 2 of these, because I'm going to use these for canned goods, even though you can use these for soda or whatever. Those I got from the Dollar Tree. I picked up these hot and spicy beef noodles, and these are the hot and spicy chicken. These baseball cupcakes. The cinnamon bun bunts. A 20-pack or 20-count mini muffins blueberry. 2 of the, 12-count hamburger buns. These are the honey ones. They're delicious. 4 8-count hot dogs. 2 things of Sun-made raisin bread. And 4 loaves of regular bread. That's it. That's all for this. And then I had to go to my sister's house and I picked that up. Everybody, well, not everybody, but to all my new news, you wouldn't know this, but I did purchase this a long time ago because I had seen it and I wanted to decorate with it and all that good stuff. And I was like, oh, this is going to be so cute. But I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to put that over there or if I'm going to put it in the basement and use it with my laundry stuff. I'm not sure. I'm going to see what it looks like over there, and then I'm going to see if it fits over there. I'll keep it. If it doesn't, I don't know. But you all see it in a minute. So let's go and get crack-a-latin putting a little bit of this away. Hello besties, grocery haul. This side is Save-A-Lot, this side is Walmart. We're going to start with Save-A-Lot. These are pepperoni rolls. One is pepperoni, there's sausage, and something else in there. Those are for hubby's lunch. We have garlic bread, cookies and cream Pop-Tarts, strawberry Pop-Tarts, instant oatmeal, a gallon of milk, string cheese, stick butter, sour cream, diced ham, smoked sausage with cheese, 2 packages of ham off the bone lunch meat, 3 packs of bacon, 2 packs of meatballs, 2 packs of seasoned beef patty, a thing of onion rings, 2 chicken nuggets, 2 of the chicken breast patties, a bag of diced hash browns, a bag of tater tots, and a pepper and onion blend, 2 boxes of pepperoni single pizzas, a bag of the Tutti Fruttis, generic Fruit Loop, go figure, yogurt tubes, 1 bell pepper, 2 packages of sweet Italian sausage, a thing of grapes. These are chicken fajita mega bowl and the buffalo style chicken mac and cheese mega bowl. 3 things of ground meat, and I picked up 1 hot Italian and the other one under there is sweet. These are cheddar bratwurst. There's 2 packs in there. I picked up some chewy chocolate chip granola bars, some crunchy granola bars, chewy granola bars, Reese's Puffs, Golden Grams treats, crispy rice treats, and these are crispy rice treats birthday cake. 2 things of cupcakes, 2 things of Swiss rolls, 18 count eggs, iced honey bun, 2 things of donut stick, 2 things of generic Twinkies, coffee creamer, wonton strips, honey roasted pecan pieces, cream stations, Oreo cookie basically, and chocolate chip cookies. Now let's go to Walmart. Sour cream and onion potato chips, barbecue Snyder's, Cheez-It Snapped, jalapeno jack, and puffin corn cheddar cheese popcorn. These are the Stroop waffle minis, iceberg lettuce, iceberg salad, a bag of mandarin oranges, 2 cucumbers, pizza rolls, sharp cheddar cheese, medium cheddar cheese, jasmine rice, 50 count fruit snacks, taco blend, Kobe Jack, fish fillet, strawberry and peanut butter Uncrustables, regular peanut butter and grape jelly Uncrustables, a Cajun style Alfredo with sausage and chicken Devour, elbow macaroni, rotini, and shells pasta. 2 of the Minute Maid fruit punch, 2 cans of yams, 2 cans of mixed green, 4 cans of mushroom soup, 4 cans of cream of celery, Baby Bell cheese, Land O'Lakes butter, that's the honey butter, cinnamon sugar butter, garlic and herb butter, Land O'Lakes, thick and chunky salsa, kosher dill pickle spear, peach and pineapple chipotle salsa, 2 bags of the grilled ready oven roasted chicken, 2 bunches of bananas, vegetable oil, mayonnaise, melty cheese, double cheddar cheese sauce, the pirouette chocolate fudge sticks, 2 things of ranch dressing, bread and butter pickles, brown sugar cinnamon coffee mate, Pop-Tart flavor coffee mate, sweet relish, chi-chi salsa con queso, the Hawaiian packs for the kids put in their water, bacon bits, tomato, basil, garlic pasta sauce, meat flavored sauce, Reese's Colliders layered, Kit Kat Colliders, the Minions Great Value yogurt tubes, Chex Mix double chocolate bars, Chewy double chocolate dipped, I think these are, yeah, the chocolate dipped Chewy granola bars, Jiffy cornbread, raspberry muffin, and I got honey and deep blueberry. Sorry about that blueberry. A box of instant mashed potatoes, 2 bags of sugar. We got the flavor mix. It's upside down. Here you go. Y'all see the flavors. 2 containers of Yoo-Hoo, a case of water, 2 of the extra sweet tea Pure Life, and a box of 40 juice drinks Hawaiian pie. And that is all for my haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Oh, yeah, to work things out, 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 to work things out.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. Toy Story. But if it's chasing me, would he? Let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it. I have loved you quite some time. Thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile.
So, see, I'm just scraping it out.
How's it look, Mom, in the pan?
I'm
Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today, I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things
I don't think they can hear you.
Chef Boyardee. Put them back.
you like. We'll be singing and dancing on the way.
I don't know. Mom, does this look good enough?
I'm doing hair. Make the brownies. Don't bug me to make this thing.
I
Make
didn't
the
bug you. You
brownies.
did. Okay, one more time.
You're supposed to say that.
I got plans for you all day, all night.
You're making a mess.
That comes with.
Ah!
What are you doing?
We're trying to take these.
Push it down.